Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how we work and do business. With its ability to analyze data, make predictions, and automate tasks, AI has become a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. Let's start the video. Here are 7 profitable AI business ideas to consider. Personal shopping assistant. Because they make shopping easier and more convenient, personal shopping assistants have recently attracted a lot of attention. Using artificial intelligence, these assistants make tailored recommendations for goods or services by analyzing consumer behavior, preferences, and purchasing history. Technology is altering how people shop by enhancing efficiency and personalizing the shopping experience to suit each customer's interests. Customers may rapidly identify things they are likely to be interested in without manually combing hundreds of possibilities with the use of AI-powered personal shopping assistant. This not only saves time, but also makes shopping more fun by making personalized product recommendations and enhancing consumer engagement. Personal shopping assistants can benefit retailers by boosting sales and fostering customer loyalty. Artificial intelligence-based personal shoppers can be employed in a wide variety of contexts. While some shops utilize the technology to offer customers individualized product recommendations through chatbots or messaging assistants, others use it to do so through their websites or mobile apps to simplify identifying complementary products. Some personal shopping assistants can be used to put together whole ensembles or looks depending on a customer's preferences. The usage of personal shopping assistants' AI capacity raises additional issues. As businesses collect information on client behavior and preferences, privacy risks exist. Concerns exist around the possibility that these assistants will persuade customers to spend money on things they don't need or can't afford. As with any technology, weighing both the advantages and potential disadvantages is vital. Content creation. How we produce and consume content is changing due to the quickly evolving technology known as a content generation. Thanks to artificial intelligence, creating content is now quicker, simpler, and more effective than ever. Automated generation of text, photos, videos, and other types of content using algorithms is known as artificial intelligence-powered content production. Saving time and lightening content creators' workloads are 2 of the main advantages of AI-powered content creation. Artificial intelligence algorithms can automatically produce material based on predefined parameters, saving hours spent researching, writing, and editing. As a result, content producers can concentrate on other crucial facets of their business, such as strategy and analysis. Businesses and organizations can benefit from content creation as well. Companies may easily and quickly produce big volumes of content by automating the process, which can boost their online presence and increase traffic to their websites. Also, businesses may more effectively target particular groups and tailor their content using content creation. The utilization of content creation, though, is subject to controversy. Some fear technology could cause people to lose their creativity and stop producing original stuff. There are also worries about generated content being utilized for evil intent, such as disinformation campaigns or propaganda. Fraud detection. Artificial intelligence is used in fraud detection systems to spot and stop fraudulent activities. The prevalence of digital transactions has increased the demand for fraud detection, and artificial intelligence-powered systems provide a potent tool for identifying and preventing fraud. Artificial intelligence-based fraud detection enables businesses to examine massive data sets and spot patterns and abnormalities that can point to fraudulent activity. This technology is especially effective for real-time fraud detection, which enables businesses to act swiftly and stop losses. Finance, healthcare, and e-commerce are just some areas that can benefit from fraud detection. Artificial intelligence can assist in detecting financial crimes such as identity theft, credit card fraud, and others. AI in healthcare can potentially stop medical identity theft and detect insurance fraud. Artificial intelligence can aid in e-commerce fraud detection and shield companies from chargebacks and other financial losses. The ability of fraud detection to adapt and learn over time is one of its main advantages. Artificial intelligence systems may be trained to recognize and stop new types of fraud as they appear, increasing fraud detection accuracy over time. Concerns have also been raised regarding the possibility of false positives or the unethical use of fraud detection for objectives like profiling or discrimination. The possible downsides of any technology should be taken into account, and fraud detection should be used ethically and responsibly. Customer service. Customer service is changing how companies communicate with their clients. Companies may offer quick, effective, and personalized customer service that satisfies the expectations of contemporary customers with the aid of artificial intelligence. Chatbots and other tools are used in customer care to interact with consumers and offer support. These technologies can make it simple and quick for customers to obtain information, buy things, and solve problems. One of the primary benefits of customer service is its capacity to give 24/7 help to customers. Companies can offer 24/7 customer care using AI tools even after conventional business hours. The simplicity and accessibility of this kind of service are valued by clients, which can enhance their pleasure and loyalty. Also, providing better customer service can boost a company's productivity and cut costs. Companies can lessen the stress on their customer care personnel and free up time for more complicated issues that call for human intervention by automating some operations and processes. Concerns have also been raised concerning the possibility that customer service powered by AI will lose its human element and lack empathy. Concerns have also been raised concerning the possibility of errors or inaccurate information provided by technologies. Healthcare solutions. Healthcare solutions are revolutionizing healthcare delivery and management. With artificial intelligence, healthcare providers may enhance patient outcomes, lower costs, and improve overall care quality. The ability of healthcare solutions to analyze enormous volumes of patient data and find patterns and insights that may be obscure to human doctors or nurses is one of their main advantages. Better patient outcomes may result from healthcare providers being able to detect and treat illnesses more precisely and effectively. By automating specific tasks and processes, such as appointment scheduling or medical record management, healthcare technologies can also assist in lowering healthcare expenses. This can save administrative costs and increase efficiency, while allowing healthcare personnel to concentrate on more difficult and valuable duties. Healthcare solutions can also increase patient satisfaction and involvement. Healthcare professionals may provide individualized and proactive support to patients with artificial intelligence solutions, assisting in illness prevention and enhancing overall health outcomes. Supply chain management. The way that firms manage their supply chains is changing due to supply chain management. Businesses may increase productivity, save costs, and improve the overall quality of their supply chain operations using artificial intelligence. Inventory management can be optimized. One of the main advantages of AI supply chain management. Artificial intelligence-powered technologies can assist organizations in making more precise predictions about future demand by evaluating data on past demand patterns and other factors. This improves inventory planning and lowers inventory expenses. Businesses can increase the effectiveness of their logistics and transportation by using supply chain management. Businesses may reduce transportation expenses and improve delivery times by optimizing transportation routes and timetables with AI-powered technologies. Businesses may lower risk and enhance supplier management using supply chain management. Artificial intelligence-powered technologies can assist companies in identifying possible issues and taking proactive measures to reduce them by evaluating data on supplier performance and risk variables. This results in a more stable and trustworthy supply chain. Marketing solutions. Marketing solutions are revolutionizing business marketing and advertising strategies. Businesses can target and personalize their marketing campaigns more effectively using artificial intelligence, increasing engagement and conversion rates. The ability of marketing solutions to analyze enormous amounts of client data and find patterns and insights that human marketers might not notice is one of its main advantages. Firms can use this information to understand their clients better to customize their marketing messages and campaigns. Businesses can benefit from marketing solutions by automating specific jobs and procedures, such as lead scoring or customer segmentation. This can increase productivity and cut expenses, allowing marketers to concentrate on more strategic and creative duties. Also, organizations can benefit from marketing solutions by increasing client loyalty and involvement. Solutions enable organizations to provide clients with individualized and proactive support, fostering loyalty and solidifying customer connections. Starting an AI business can be challenging, but with the right idea, resources, and expertise, it can be a highly profitable venture. Consider these AI business ideas and see which best aligns with your skills and interests. That's all for today. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know about how to make money with artificial intelligence, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.